Hello guys, welcome to Zach's tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover forgotten Instagram password. Let's get started. In order to make that possible, we need to head over to our profile icon right here. And in here, click on the three lines. And then from in there, just search for the option for security, or you can also scroll down until you can find it. So it has been moved to the account center right here. So you can head over and click on your account center. And then from in here, you can see in here password and security. And then click on this change password and then just choose your Instagram account. Now in here, you can actually see the actual Instagram. As you can see, it's been saved right here. Now when you long press, you also have the option to paste, but you also have the option right here for autofill. So we need to locate that autofill right here. So you need to head over to any Google supported app right here like Gmail, and in here you can scroll until you can find the option right here for security. Here's security, and then from in there scroll down until you can see the option for password manager. Now once you have seen your password manager, you should be able to see all the passwords that you have. You can also have other sign-in options like this ones, and also a lot of this. Here's password manager, so you can head over and open that. And then once you have opened it, you can see all the apps that you have saved. So if you see Instagram right here, you can head over and click on that and retrieve your password and username through that page. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!